Hi all! Institute of Banking Studies welcomes you to the part 2 of the vocabulary series. If you have missed our first session, find it right here. I am Sanoj Pillai, Director for Planning and Development at the IBS. Today we are going to learn important vocabulary for competitive exams and words that you may use in daily conversations to sound smarter, confident and sure. Let's jump right into it. In today's session, we have included important vocabulary that start with the letter A. Word number 1, abdicate. Abdicate means to give up a position or power or to renounce a throne or high office. Example, Pakistani Prime Minister Imran Khan will have to abdicate his chair sooner or later, said Bilawal Bhutto. Synonyms for the word abdicate are relinquish, resign, abnegate. Antonyms for the word abdicate are accept or take on. Our next word in this section is aggravate. Aggravate means to make a problem or a situation worse or more serious. For example, military action would only aggravate the situation. Synonyms for aggravate are exasperate, antagonize, or provoke. Antonyms for the word aggravate are delight, elevate, appease, mollify. Our next word in this section is abrupt. Abrupt means sudden and unexpected, rude or extremely sharp. Example, US-North Korea nuclear talks came to an abrupt end. Someone who is abrupt speaks in a rude, unfriendly way. He was very abrupt to the point of rudeness. Synonyms for abrupt are precipitous, discourteous, instantaneous, brusque. Antonyms for gradual, unhurried, smooth. Our fourth word in this section is abscond. Abscond means to depart secretly and hide oneself. Leave hurriedly and secretly, typically to escape from a custody or to avoid arrest. Example for the word abscond is WikiLeaks founder Julian Assange has been sent to 50 weeks jail for absconding while on bail. Synonyms for abscond are run away, flee, escape. Antonyms for abscond are appear, arrive, join, or endure. Our fifth word in this section is abstruse. Abstruse means something that is difficult to understand or comprehend. Example, in the beginning, the script seemed abstruse, but later I liked it a lot. Synonyms for abstruse are obscure, complicated, and incomprehensible. Antonyms for abstruse are clear, concrete, easy, and lucid. The sixth word in this section is accede. Accede means to give consent or to assume an office or a position. Example, the Franco-Swedish Northern Alliance left Griffenfeld no choice but to accede to the war. Synonyms are assent, assume, attain, grant, allow. Antonyms are decline, deny, dissent, impede. Our seventh word in this section is accolade. Accolade means an award or a privilege granted as a special honor or as an acknowledgement of merit. Example, Cristiano Ronaldo has been known for his bold statements regarding individual accolades. Synonyms are citation, salutation, honor, laurels. Antonyms are rebuke, indictment, denunciation, condemnation, reprimand. Our eighth word in this section is adept. Adept means very skilled or proficient at something. An example is the leader of the political party is very adept at dealing with the media. Synonyms are capable, proficient, and skilled. Antonyms are incapable, incompetent, and ignorant. Our ninth word in this section is ardent. Ardent means very enthusiastic or passionate. An example is Vedant is an ardent supporter of the local football team. Synonyms are zealous, avid, impassioned. Antonyms are apathetic, unenthusiastic, unpassionate. Our 10th and the last word in this section is accomplice. Accomplice means a person who helps another commit a crime, one of a group that acts in harmony, one who has participated in an action or an event. Examples for accomplice are: the gunman accomplice carried on with a raid, smashing a glass security shield and taking out the cash. Synonyms are participator, partaker, conspirator, intruder, plotter, confederate, associate. Antonyms are adversary, antagonist, opponent, etc. Thank you for joining us for today's session. Hope that it was a good learning for you. See you in the next session real soon. Greetings from Team IBS.